electric dryer. The person said that it quit working, or it quit starting up. It won't fire up and work or anything. I've already done some checking. I got the top pop loose, just two little clips here, just break it loose. There's two screws here for the lint trap. You gotta take them loose so that you can raise the top up. Anyway, I'll show you what it's not doing, and there's something I want to check that hopefully might be the problem. We'll put it on timed dry. That's just a thing. Let's see, the breaker's on. And you push the button and nothing's happening. So, what I want to check, how far will this go over so it don't fall off? Okay. There's a switch right here on the door. Sometimes if these go bad, it'll stop it from working. And the switch is down here. You can see it on this one. It's right here in the corner. And as you can see, it's just flopping around. It's not doing anything. So what I'm going to do to check that is put a jumper wire in here. Which I've got one right here. Just a little wire that you can jump the two connections. Just like that. Now that bypasses the switch, so it should turn on even with the door open. Let me check to make sure. It's not going to hit nothing. Let's see, timed dry. Now hopefully it'll start up and running. And it does. But it also keeps running with the door open. And let's see. It does feel like it's getting warm. Yep. There's some heat in there. So, the problem is the switch. Turn the breaker off here. And I'll go ahead and remove my jumper wire. Should be two little screws that hold on, I think. Yep. pops up. And this here is all it is. Got some part numbers on the back of it, so I'll look those up and see if I can find a new switch and get this thing put back together. Let's go feed the deer some apples. There's another big deer inside the woods. Look, don't run off. Still kind of skittish. Trying to follow her nose. She might get it. Right there in front of you. There, you found him. Okay, that's a male. He's got little nubs for his antlers. Well, it took off that time.